Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Great Wave Lego art set. We got bag number 9, and in the last part we did, I think, like all of that. So let's see what this bag will bring us. And go ahead and open it up. Any more pieces fall up here? I don't think so. Yes, one did. We'll move those over there. Grab our stud that fell. Alright. Let's go ahead and show the first step here. There you go. There we go. Let's go ahead and move these over. Nope, hang on. Sorry, trying to figure this out. So, over. Get over there. Sort of, please. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, here's step number, or not step number 2, but the next step. Yep. Okay, one goes there, then a stud, and then this one here. Okay. Here's the next step. It's actually really hard to see what I'm supposed to be doing here. Go here. And there. I think, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next step coming up, and it looks like it's going to be lower. So we'll go ahead and move this up to where you can see the bottom of the wave. Okay. Need a stud there. And piece there. Just breezing through these steps. Okay, and next step here. It's like we have like a little mini step there. These. So, what was it like that? Go here, I think. And then one right next to it. No, wait, what? No. What? I'm confused. Okay, let's just make those for now, and we'll put them on last. Well, not like last, but last in the step. Okay, right there. We need a triangle. Goes there. This piece goes there. We have there. Then okay, and then this goes here, and this goes here. Okay, makes more sense now. And now we have these little studs going there. The base there. There we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Next is a shorter step. I just hit the pieces with the side of the book. So that was awesome. Let's go ahead and do this step real quick. I think I forgot to put a piece on in the last episode, because there's supposed to be a piece right there, according to the book. I have all the spares like right next to me, so it's not a big deal if I miss out on something. Oh man. Uh-oh. Picking up the pieces right now. I think I got them all. If not, I'm about to find out. We'll try and be more careful. Okay. So the next step, step 63. And a piece above that. There. think. Right here. Yes. And then right here. Yep. We have some more little weird pieces. And there we go. I think 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right, next step here. Which we're kind of moving to the bottom right. So we'll kind of get all the pieces together and move them over here. Like that, and where are we? Okay. Okay, there's one there. Nope. There we go. We need another one of these. And this long-ish piece. Okay, so 65 has kind of a weird step here. And it looks like we have to do that twice. So shoot. Okay. Oh. I don't know why I just tried to do that off camera. Okay, there's part, and then we flip it over and put one of these here, and we have to do that twice. Okay. And where? What? Okay, so let me show you the other side real quick. This is where it wants me to put them. And then it wants me to put the other two up there. Other two. I apparently did not pick up all the pieces. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put these down real quick. So like that. Now it has to go over this. What? I'm confused. So looking at it like this. Here, I guess we'll keep trying this. Okay, I think I don't know. I don't know how I got that to work. And this one up here. Nope, please don't. What the heck? Something like that. I don't know what I'm... Oh, I know what I did wrong. So on the bottom, here, I'm going to show you. it wanted it put on these little things, and I was putting it in between, so that's why it didn't line up. Okay, so there we go. There's that. We will put that to the right, and hang on, let me scooch that over. Was that the last step? That was the last step. Okay. Why'd I have so many extra pieces on this step, or on this one? Huh, I don't know. Let me see if I can find it in these, like, 10 seconds. Give me just, wait, what was that? That's not the piece I need. I found it. I found it. Nobody worry. Last piece of bag number 9 complete. So there we go. That was bag number 9. Let me show you. But now we're on 10. And that's gonna be it for this this part. So if you enjoyed and want to see more of the Great Wave build, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to know when the next part's gonna be uploaded. Thanks for watching. Bye.